Hello guys, in today's video I would like to show you how to make a caption using AI. First, you need to open your internet. For example, I use Google Chrome, and after that you can type Chatgpt and then click search and then open the website. Here on the website you can type anything you want, but for today's tutorial we will use this AI to make a caption. For example, I will tell the AI to make me a caption about sunset, then send, and without any second the AI will make you a caption. If you still didn't satisfied with the results, you can type more and the AI will send you all of the caption about sunset. And that's the way how you to make a caption using AI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.